Hey guys, I come in here. I want to try to do a video on a couple of different things. First one I'm going to do it on is a fireball reported blazing across Pacific Northwest sky. I guess this happened yesterday. This article was put out today. More than 130 people reported seeing the light shoot across the sky. I'll leave the link below to this article. I can't hardly scroll on this page. I'll just go to the next one. A 5.6 magnitude earthquake rocks Oklahoma. This was today at 8:20, if I'm not mistaken. No, excuse me, 7 a.m. But you know there that they've been predicting a big earthquake in the Midwest. Is this just the beginning of that? With all that going on, then you have this. You got food riots in Venezuela. With that being said, you may say, well, that's in Venezuela. That don't have nothing to do with us. But as I done the food stamp video, nobody's getting their food stamps. This could be what's coming. I hope you're prepared. Then, last but not least, Vladimir Putin is supposedly building top secret nuclear shelters. You can go there and read this whole article yourself and draw your own conclusions. I will leave the links below to all of these. My question is this just the beginning of things to come? Has it already started? You can be the judge of that. I hope you're prepared and stay safe. Have a good day and God bless.